Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here, Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I got another video for you guys. And this video is a pretty much a temp fade, a taper fade on some dreadlocks, okay? Now these are some really exotic freeform dreadlocks. Most of you probably never seen nothing like this before outside of the state of Florida, but this is what we do down here. Anyways, make a long story short, I'm pretty much going to taper the sides. This is a one-sided haircut, so I only cut the left side of the client's head. I actually did the right side before we got started, and this is pretty much straight to the point. I drew the bald line, faded up just a little bit with the Andy's Masters, came back with the Wall Senior 100-year edition, and I pretty much faded below what I did with the Andy's Masters. Dropped the one blade guard on the Wall Seniors, and then put the 1.5 guard and kind of faded up just a little bit. I'm not gonna go step by step like I normally do with this video. My client was we was just kind of going back and forth, chopping it up a little bit. I wanted to record the volume, but it was a lot of graphic content, and I didn't want to scare a lot of y'all off. I'm not sure if any kids are watching, so just sit back, take a look at the video, tell me what you think. If you like it, if you don't, just let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Shout out to Barber Illuminati, 1+1 Barber in Ghana, West Africa. Shout out to you. Anyways, like I said, follow me on Instagram as custom_made_cuts. And like I said, comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and just let me know what you think. Peace.
Yeah.